Welcome to the future of robot welding with Robotmaster version 7. For version 7, we decided to take our users to the next level of productivity by conceiving and giving birth to a welding programming system that is only for robots and nothing else. We completely refactored version 7 with the most modern programming tools available. The new V7 architecture is designed for future growth and will allow increasingly complex welding cell designs, stations, and specialized operations. It will also give integrators or OEMs the ability to integrate their process-specific knowledge into Robotmaster version 7. Beyond maintaining our reputation for constant technical advances, we concentrated on user efficiency and comfort in version 7. For increased user comfort, we changed to a dark interface to reduce eye strain. Next, we eliminated all the unneeded commands, icons, or unrelated screen clutter. To decrease the time required to program welding robots, we developed a task-based programming system. This concept requires two different modes, a device mode and a task mode. This might seem contrary to prevailing CAD-CAM custom, but we have done extensive user testing to assure that our task-based programming generates considerable productivity gains. You will see later during the demonstration why we implemented this method. Our logical and advanced task-based programming technology will allow almost anyone, even someone without robot expertise, to profitably program a welding robot. Being conceived specifically for robots, Robotmaster version 7 welding is CAD-CAM independent. We leverage and protect your CAD-CAM investment by importing model files and NC paths from any CAD-CAM system. Robotmaster version 7 has built-in welding that was conceived only for welding robots. Our dedicated welding functions assure that you will never be forced to create welding trajectories with a CAD-CAM designed for milling. Robotmaster version 7 welding gives you complete control over the many welding methods used in industry. We provide the welding programmer with automatic collision avoidance, entry and exit conditions that allow you to get into the tightest corners without collisions, tacking, multipass welding, and many other detailed welding methods. Robotmaster version 7, being CAD-CAM independent, gives the user the ability to import and combine multiple parts and our fixtures from any CAD-CAM system. The geometry can then be transformed or moved into any position within the robot cell. We will now present the actual workflow required to create the robot welding. After selecting the welding method desired, you place the cursor near the edge you want to follow. The version 7 welding technology immediately presents the welding joint and vectors. The Robotmaster join function allows you to select multiple non-tangent entities and assemble them into one welding operation with perfect corner movements. Once you are happy with your selection, you apply the method and OK the welding operation. Only a few clicks are required to make the welds ready for the robot. If you look at the right side of the task screen, Robotmaster provides you all the trajectory and frame information of each operation. Robotmaster version 7 also supports 3D arc moves and arc filtering for smoother and faster robot welding. If it's automatic, it must also be manual, is one of Robotmaster's prime directives. Robotmaster gives you total control over the trajectories anywhere, anytime. The point list is one of the powerful editing tools that Robotmaster provides for your domination over the robot's and trajectory's behavior. The point list precisely indicates the actual trajectory. You can modify a single point and even interpolate a range of points for smooth changes. You may also delete, insert, or modify any movement in the weld trajectory. Another powerful editing feature of the points list is the ability to insert, edit, or automatically generate multiple process parameters. The process events can be edited from the point list with maximum flexibility by adding, deleting, or moving the event anywhere along the point list. With Robotmaster, you are always in control. Until now, we have concentrated only on the part, fixture, and welding process while in the task mode. When everything is okay, we will assign the robot in the device mode. If you have only one robot, the default files will automatically load your robot and tooling. If you have multiple robots, we must first select the robot. Once the robot is selected, we assign the welding operations to the robot. Your default files will probably place the part in a pre-assigned position. If required, you may also manually place the part anywhere in the cell. As soon as you assign the welding operation, Robotmaster will calculate the robot kinematics. If there is a problem with the kinematics, Robotmaster will tell you the type of problem and the location. We will clearly indicate the problem with a green as go or as red as no indicating lights to the left of the operations. You are not obligated to simulate everything to find errors in Robotmaster. To eliminate the find the error by repeated simulation productivity bottleneck, Robotmaster invented a unique kinematic mapping technology that allows a non-robot specialist to eliminate kinematic problems or collisions. Robotmaster version 7 also provides optimized path planning for error and collision-free welding trajectories. Since everything is green, we could generate the robot code immediately without simulation, and many of our experienced clients do so. Notice how it takes only a few minutes and a few clicks from start to finish to create the first weld and not hours of teaching. Now you can understand why we engineered Robotmaster version 7 as a task-based programming system. This proven and efficient concept gives you the power to concentrate on perfecting the welding process in the task mode, then optimizing the robot configuration and posture in the device mode. Let's return to the task mode and weld the vertical segments of the right and left vertical supports. This vertical weld will require a pull condition for an ideal weld. The push-pull conditions are just one of Robotmaster's numerous welding methods. You select the push-pull function and set the pull at 30 degrees. When selecting the right vertical, Robotmaster will immediately detect and indicate the weld and the vectors as you move your cursor over the coincident end of the desired weld line. When you see what you want, you click to confirm. Once everything is perfect, you apply the optimal welding path and OK the operation. Once the right side is finished, we will repeat it on the left vertical. Next, we return to the robot to verify the new operations. Again, there is no need to simulate everything to find any errors. Robotmaster automatically calculates the inverse kinematics and discovers any kinematic problems or collisions. In this example, there is a collision in the joint move between the two operations. You only need to click on the lightning flash to take you to the collision. Joint moves are the bane of robot welding programmers because they are the principal creators of collisions. This is where Robotmaster version 7 welding will save you lots of money and many frustrating hours of beating your head against the wall trying to resolve collisions generated by joint moves. If there is a collision during a joint move, you only need to use our new and unique graphic transition technology. This world first is easy, fast, and will save you hours of time. To create a graphic transition between operations, you simply insert the transition. A line will appear between the operations and you can pull it around like a rubber band to avoid the collision. It is a fantastically productive function and is also informative since it is color-coded to indicate any problems. Once you have pulled the elastic transition curve above the collision, the curve will change color, indicating that you no longer have a collision. You accept the transition, then recalculate the kinematics to assure everything is green. Once everything is green, you generate the robot-ready code. Robotmaster version 7 has the most technically advanced rail or rotary table management methods in the robot programming market. One function loved by Robotmaster welders is the ability to do a combined autosync with a 2-axis rotary table. In this mode, Robotmaster automatically manages the axes of the rotary table, so the welding nozzle is always held at a desired angle with the least possible movement, thereby giving the best quality weld possible. For advanced welding shops, our vast experience in gantry welding of ship segments, heavy construction equipment, and structural steel has helped us to develop optimized 2 or 3-point touch sensing. The touch sensing functions can be inserted at the beginning and end of each weld for total weld control. This advanced feature will assure the accurate welding of large, unaligned segments. If the user desires, Robotmaster's touch sensing can be seamlessly integrated with any laser tracking equipment. For the advanced welder, we have also developed a multi-pass welding constructor editor that allows the user to easily construct multi-pass welding within complex geometric restraints. This powerful multi-pass editor gives the robot welder the freedom to weld structural elements as required. Robotmaster version 7 welding gives the welder the tools to weld as desired. You have seen how Robotmaster version 7 is fast, powerful, and will save you hundreds, if not thousands, of hours teaching. People will constantly tell you that time is money, but we see it differently, because you can always make more money, but you can't make more time. Everything in the new Robotmaster version 7 is specifically designed for industrial robots. Robotmaster is true robot CAD-CAM. We allow you to program jobs that were previously impossible and radically reduce your programming budgets, especially if you are teaching or using the simulation programs provided by the robot suppliers. Thank you for taking your precious time to review this demonstration. If you have any further questions on how to radically reduce your programming cost, please contact Robotmaster at robotmaster.com. Thank you.